You've definitely noticed them by now, those small square symbols made up of seemingly random black and white blocks. QR codes are everywhere. You'll find them on restaurant menus, event flyers, product boxes, and even flashing briefly on your TV during advertisements. But have you ever stopped to think about what a QR code actually is, or how it works? How does a simple scan with your smartphone instantly open a website, play a video, or take you straight to a payment page? Today, we're going to uncover the story behind these surprisingly powerful symbols of modern convenience. Welcome to Ordinary, where we explore the hidden stories behind everyday objects that quietly shape the way we live. The term QR stands for Quick Response, and that name was chosen for a reason. QR codes are a form of two-dimensional barcode designed to store information far more efficiently than traditional barcodes. While regular barcodes rely on a single line of vertical stripes, QR codes use a square grid that carries data both horizontally and vertically. This smart design allows QR codes to store hundreds of times more information than a standard barcode, all within a compact, scannable square. First developed in 1994 by DensoWave, a subsidiary of Toyota, QR codes were originally created for a very practical reason: tracking vehicle components inside factories. Speed and accuracy were the goal. Jump ahead to the present day, and those same codes have evolved into a worldwide digital tool, powering everything from advertising campaigns to mobile payment systems. At first glance, a QR code can look like nothing more than a jumble of black and white squares. But in reality, every section of that pattern serves a specific function. Let's take a closer look at how it's structured. The finder patterns are the three bold squares positioned at the corners. These act as visual anchors, allowing scanners to quickly detect the code and understand its orientation, even if it's tilted or scanned from an awkward angle. Between them are the timing patterns, rows of alternating black and white squares. These help the scanner calculate the size and proportions of the code with precision. Then there are the alignment patterns, smaller square markers that assist the scanner in reading the code correctly, especially when the surface is curved, bent, or uneven. Finally, the data modules are the tiny black and white blocks spread throughout the grid. These are the cells that actually hold the encoded information. So while a QR code may appear mysterious or chaotic at first, it's really a carefully structured system, an elegant, well-organized map of data designed for speed and reliability. Back in 1994, engineers at DensoWave, a company within the Toyota Group, introduced QR codes with a clear and practical mission. They needed a faster, more accurate way to track vehicle parts on busy factory floors, where speed and precision mattered above all else. Fast forward to today, and those same codes have moved far beyond manufacturing. QR codes are now used around the world, supporting everything from digital advertising and event access to contactless payments and online services. At a quick glance, a QR code might seem like a random patchwork of black and white squares. But beneath that simple appearance lies a carefully engineered structure, where every element plays a role. Let's break it down. The most noticeable features are the finder patterns, the three large squares placed at the corners. These serve as reference points, helping scanners instantly recognize the code and determine its position, even when it's tilted or scanned from an unusual angle. Connecting these are the timing patterns, made up of alternating black and white blocks. These guide the scanner in measuring the code scale and layout accurately. You'll also find alignment patterns, smaller square markers that improve scanning accuracy, especially when the code appears on curved, folded, or uneven surfaces. And at the heart of it all are the data modules, the tiny black and white squares spread across the grid. These are where the actual information is stored. So what may initially look like visual chaos is, in fact, a highly organized system. A QR code is a thoughtfully designed map of data, built to deliver information quickly, efficiently, and reliably. One of the most impressive strengths of QR codes is their durability. This reliability comes from a built-in feature called error correction. In simple terms, extra backup data is woven into the code itself. Because of this, a QR code can still be scanned successfully even if a significant portion of it is scratched, dirty, or partially damaged, sometimes up to nearly 1/3 of the entire code. That toughness makes QR codes perfect for real-world use. You'll see them on outdoor billboards, printed receipts, shipping labels, and product packaging, places where wear and tear is almost unavoidable. The real turning point for QR codes came with the rise of smartphones. As mobile technology advanced, phone manufacturers began adding QR scanning directly into their camera apps. By around 2017, scanning a QR code no longer required downloading a separate app. You could simply open your camera and scan. Then came 2020. The global pandemic pushed QR codes into everyday life almost overnight. Contactless payments, digital restaurant menus, health check-ins, and virtual registrations all depended on these small, scannable squares. But QR codes are more than just convenient, they're incredibly flexible. A single code can store many different types of information. It might open a website or app, display a short message or set of instructions, instantly save contact details through a digital business card, or take you directly to a payment page for quick transactions. With technology moving forward so quickly, it's natural to ask whether QR codes might be replaced by something newer. Yet their clean design and wide range of uses suggest they're here to stay. New developments, such as dynamic QR codes, where the linked information can be updated without changing the printed code, are only expanding what these codes can do. Today, QR codes allow businesses to share information in real time. For instance, a restaurant can place a single QR code on every table that leads to an online menu, updated instantly whenever items or prices change. In the same way, event organizers can rely on dynamic QR codes for digital tickets, adjusting details on the fly or tailoring access for each individual attendee. The next time you scan a QR code, pause for a second and think about what's really happening. That small, simple-looking square is powered by a carefully engineered system, built to connect the physical world with the digital one in a smooth and effortless way. What began as a practical solution inside a car factory has grown into a universal symbol of modern connectivity. So whether you're ordering food, connecting to Wi-Fi, or checking in at an event, remember that those tiny black and white squares are doing far more than they appear to. They're a reminder that sometimes, the most straightforward designs can deliver the biggest impact. Today, QR codes give businesses the power to update information instantly. Take a restaurant, for example. One printed QR code can lead customers to a digital menu that changes every day, without the need to reprint anything. In a similar way, event organizers use dynamic QR codes for tickets, allowing details to be modified at any time or customized for individual attendees. The next time you scan a QR code, pause for a moment and think about what's happening behind the scenes. That small square may look simple, but it's driven by a carefully designed system built to connect the physical world with the digital one in a seamless way. What started as a practical tool inside an automobile factory has grown into a worldwide symbol of instant connection. So whether you're grabbing takeout, connecting to a Wi-Fi network, or checking in at an event, remember that those tiny black and white patterns are doing far more than you might expect. They're a perfect example of how simple ideas, when designed well, can create powerful results. QR codes have quietly reshaped the way we move through everyday life. They make it faster to find information, simpler to pay, and easier to connect with the world around us. What appears to be a scattered pattern of black and white squares is actually the result of smart engineering, precise mathematics, and human creativity working together. So the next time a QR code pops up in front of you, don't rush past it. Take a second to appreciate the innovation packed inside that tiny square of possibilities. And who knows, these clever grids may still have even more surprising roles to play in the future. Thanks for watching. If you have ideas or topics you'd like us to explore next, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And thank you for being part of this journey through ordinary. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories hidden within the smallest details.